Come here, we'll do it together. Come here, baby.
It's a lot of doggies.
You want me to brush Maya? Boop, 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 boop. You don't have fur on you. Daddy? Yeah, you want to... Oh,
Careful, Mai.
Because they're all playing. They'll get rough. You wait till they're done. Oh, there's all the fur on your yard. You're brushing Maya? Look over there. No, wait till they're finished playing because they're so rough. They get so rough when they play.
Ms. Albi.
I don't want you to get hurt.
Albi.
Wait till they're finished. Daddy? Yeah, you want to brush the doggy? Wait till they're finished. All right, come on, we'll brush. Come here, Vivi. Come here, Vivi. We're collecting the fur over here, Mommy. Look at all of it. My, look. Look. Is it going down? No. Yeah, it's going down. Look. Oh, did I get your hand? Sorry, honey. You all right? There's more. No. No. Did it go down? No. Yeah? Woo! It's like a cloud.
Wow, like a cloud.
Oh my, look behind you. Look down there. Look. Wait, can you see?
Good job throwing it into the yard, Monkey. It's really helpful.
There's lots, isn't there? It's everywhere. This is all her winter hair.